Locate the fixture position. Install the bar hanger ends into the joists by screwing in the 4 factory installed screws at the end of the bar hangers. Adjust the horizontal position of the junction box by sliding it along the bar hangers. Locate the center according to the fixture location. Lock horizontal positioning by fastening the 2 factory installed bar hanger screws. Route the electrical wires through the junction box. For specialty installations, the bar hangers can be shortened with a hacksaw or a power saw. Mark the center fixture position on the drywall. Cut a 4.5 inch or 114 mm opening in the drywall. For accuracy, we recommend a hole saw. Loosen the 2 factory installed wing nuts inside of the junction box. Adjust the vertical position by moving the junction box up or down. Once flush with the ceiling, lock the vertical positioning by tightening the 2 wing nuts on the inside of the junction box. Connect the hardwire adapter included with DMF modules to the junction box electrical leads. Make the ground wire connection and attach the factory installed ground wire terminal to the junction box per national and local electrical code. Connect the module connector. Align the trim onto the module and turn the module counterclockwise until secured. Place the module into the junction box. Push the trim up until it is flush with the ceiling. Using the plug and play feature, you can quickly swap between the DRD2 and the DRD4 modules. For additional information on installing the M-Series, please feel free to contact DMF's in-house engineering customer support.